All right, well, welcome back, everyone, for another great article we're actually going on today. So, hopefully, a lot of people will find it to be very valuable. We are actually going to look on 4 terrific tips on picking dental insurance. Okay, I know a lot of people don't really think about dental insurance until open enrollment time, but we want to go over 4 great actual tips. The reason for this is my wife and I, we have 5 children, okay, and our oldest daughter needed braces, or so we thought, a few years ago. Well, when we went into the dentist said that he wanted to do chains first. I didn't even know what chains were. I said, all right, go ahead, and plus 2 chains just came out. So I was like, there you go, trying to liven it up for our daughter. She wasn't too excited about about getting chains on her teeth. But the dentist put chains first, and then he wanted to do braces after that. The chains alone went above our coverage on the dental insurance, and $4,000 had to come out of our own pockets. Okay, then you had the braces as well, but great thing, it was on the following year, so the annual coverage reset. Okay, so we want to go over this. That really drove our passion in the industry to actually better the understanding for other parents, individuals, and just families in general. We wanted everyone to actually understand dental insurance and what it actually does. So here you go, guys. Let's get down to it. 4 different tips. First one is right down here. You don't have to wait for open enrollment. I don't care what they tell you on the phone. I don't care what your agent said. It wasn't the truth. Okay? I'm sorry to tell you. Okay? They actually tell you that so you can increase your sense of urgency. Okay? They want to actually help you make the choice at that time. So they tell you, oh, well, it's open enrollment. You have to do it now. You have to pick vision and dental. You might as well, right? You're picking your health insurance. Hey, good thing it is nice to actually do it all at one time, because why lengthen your headache from the industry across the entire year when you can just rip the band-aid off really quick at that time, right? Second thing, coverage, okay? Coverage amount. You have to watch your coverage, everyone, okay? When it comes to, you'll see on the summary of benefits how much your coverage is, whether it's 1,000 or 1,250, whatever it is, okay? When you run out of coverage, hopefully you're not in the dentist chair when it happens, but it will happen, okay, unless you follow all of our tips, and then you will minimize the chance of you running out of coverage throughout the year, okay? So coverage amount. Coverages actually run from $1,000 to $5,000, okay? Our Dynamism Financial actually holds all of those coverage amounts. We actually just got appointed with a great company out of Texas that is has the 1,500, 3,000, and a $5,000 option. That's awesome, because if we had that at the time that our daughter needed her chains and braces, think about it. It went over by the amount by $4,000. Okay. Our coverage amount at that time was $1,000. So the biggest plan actually would have covered, all her procedures and what she needed done. So you live and you learn, right? So there you go. All right. Third. My wife doesn't like me saying it like that. Third. Okay. You got to. Okay. Right down here, guys. Preventive incentive. A lot of people don't know about it. If you have 2 different options, one option has the preventive incentive, the other one does not, okay? Pick the one with the preventive incentive. Why do I say that? Because when it comes down to you getting your cleanings, your exams, and your x-rays, okay, if you do not have a preventive incentive, it will come off your annual coverage amount, okay? If you do have a preventive incentive, it does not, which means more money for you to get your dental work done, not just the cleaning. And yes, for all you dentists out there, hopefully you're playing ball. But I did have a dentist out in California. It was horrible. That I went in to get work done. I was supposed to get a couple fillings done. That had to be redone from years ago. I think I had them done like 12 years ago, something like that. But they did the cleanings, a deep cleaning, and exam. Well, that took off about $400 out of my coverage amount, which I only had $1,000. Okay, so they go to do the work, and they're, oh, we got the deep cleaning done, we got the top done, but oh, you ran out of coverage for the bottom. When did they tell you? When did they tell you? They told me when I came in there. I'm like, are you kidding me? Yeah, sorry, sir. Today it's going to run you $400. Who wants to be told at that last second? I know it upsets you because it upset me, and I'm like, deuces, I'm out. I'll go to another dentist. Okay? So, watch your coverage amounts, guys, and preventive incentive. Remember, take that. Okay? Last thing, number 4, right down here. Out of coverage. What do you do? What do you do when you're out of coverage? Guys, you have to wait till the next year, okay? It resets, so that's a good thing, okay? But again, watch your coverage amounts, okay? You have to wait till it resets. But if you follow the four tips that we actually gave you, you will minimize your chances of actually running out of coverage. That way you can get all that work done that you are needing, okay? And guys, guess what? That $5,000 plan, not that expensive for the big families, because me and my wife are now expecting our 6th child, our 4th boy. Got 2 girls, 4 boys now. That's cool. It's pretty weird when the girls are cheaper than the boys, but that's something for another day. But with that, I think it was like $160 for a family of 8. That's not bad. Okay, so all the big families out there, definitely think about it. Guys, thank you for actually tuning in with us today. Right down here, subscribe to our channel, like it, okay? We always like to know that we're doing a great job. Leave comments below if you have questions about your benefits that you do not know the answer. Please throw them down there. We would love to actually answer those for you and get the information back to you. We're also going to throw in our website into the video description, so definitely check it out. Guys, if you have a question that is more personal towards your own situation, throw it into a message to us. It will come right to us here at Dynamism Financial, and we'll go ahead and answer those for you, okay? Guys, thank you again for checking out our video, and look for our future videos coming up. Till next time, keep up the hustle, everyone. Take care. Bye now.